Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In this episode, we're gonna look at how you can log into Oculus without a Facebook account. Watch this video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming uploads. Firstly, open up a web browser, then in the search bar, type in Oculus login. As soon as you do that, a bunch of options will show. Now click on the first option which says Login Oculus. If you don't find this link, you can simply type in this link in your website and you will be directed to this page. Now to log in, type in your email address, then enter in your password. If you have forgotten the password to your account, click on Forgot Password. If you want to log in to Oculus without a Facebook account, firstly you need to sign up for Oculus, then create an account. Then when you're done, click on Login. So that's how easily you can log in to Oculus without having the use of Facebook account. I hope you guys liked this video and found the video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.